Hello guys, if you have a Galaxy phone or any USB-C phone and you're looking to get your data out of it, if you have a broken screen, all you have to do is get one of these hyper drives. And as you guys can see over here, if I can get it to clear, HDMI, USB-C, USB, two of those, and an SD card and 3.5 jack. So basically you got all your connections over here, USB-C, two USBs, SD cards, and a phone jack right here, and your HDMI goes straight to the monitor right there. So excuse me, in the event that you do need to get any data out of your phone, you just simply connect your mouse, your keyboard, and your monitor, and you plug this. I don't want to unplug it right now because I'm in the middle of a project, but you got the USB-C plugged it straight into the phone, and you just basically use your mouse and you control it like you're using a regular phone, and you can pull any data out of there. It's pretty cool, and it makes the job very, very easy. Again, this is called, I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to get this from Amazon. When I got this, it was like about $100, but now it's a lot cheaper. Hyperdrive Solo 7-in-1 USB-C hub. That's what they call USB-C hub. I showed you guys the features that it has already, and make sure your phone has a full charge or close to full charge when you do that, because what it does, it has to power the HD. It has to power the whole hub. So the more power you got in here, the more energy, the longer you'll be able to use to do whatever it is that you're trying to do. Either look up photos or text or whatever it is that you're trying to extract out of your phone. Here's a photo of the back. It's has a little more details. Like if you guys look down here, I don't know why I can't get a clear shot. Let me see here. So yeah, you don't, this process, I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube where you have to get software and this and that. This is the easiest way. You plug it in and you just jump in and you start pulling data right out of there. It's pretty quick. I think I'm using the wrong, maybe one. Is that what I need to do? 2.5. Okay, here we go. That looks decent. Compact aluminum 7-in-1 USB hub, USB-C hub, designed for laptops and tablets. Of course, I'm using it on my cell phone, so you could use that anything that uses USB-C, you could use that for. Turns a single USB-C hub port into 7 ports. 4K 30 Hertz HDMI that gives you the video out to your monitor. USB-C 60 watts power delivery. Dual USB A 5 gigabytes transfer, which is fast enough, and you got the 3.5 audio jack that I just showed you. What else we got here? Designed for, oh, this is French or Spanish, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, and the model, let me get you guys the model number off of this one here. Hopefully they do have a model. Oh, here you go. Here's the model number. Let me see if I can. There it is. That GND number right there. Is that what it says? GND. I'm trying to read it through my phone and it's not. Let's try that. Okay, I hope that helps. But anyway, guys, that's all you have to do. It's real simple. Plug in your hub into your phone, as long as you have a USB-C in here. This is made for newer phones. Run your HDMI straight to your monitor, and plug in a mouse and a keyboard, and start basically controlling everything. And as you guys can see over here, it lights up on the side to let you know that it's receiving power. So it's straightforward. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you guys. And what else? If you've gotten any value out of this video, please share it, and tick the bell icon, because I'm constantly publishing content almost on a weekly basis or daily basis. And by the way, when you get the USB-C hub, the hyperdrive, that's all you get is just that. It just sits in here. You don't need any power supply or anything, because all your power comes from your USB-C. Basically comes from your phone, powers that up. So that's all you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the USB-C hub. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video if you got any value out of it, and tick the bell icon so you won't miss out on any upcoming tech videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and best of luck.